Understanding Gig Worker Benefits, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important and trending topic, gig worker benefits. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the gig economy, this video is for you. We'll explore what gig worker benefits are, why they matter, and how they impact those who work in the gig economy. So, let's get started and demystify this topic together. Before we delve into the benefits, it's crucial to understand who gig workers are. Gig workers are individuals who earn income through freelance work, temporary jobs, or short-term contracts rather than through a long-term employment agreement with a single employer. Examples include drivers for ride-sharing apps, freelance writers, and those who offer services through various online platforms. The key here is flexibility and independence in their work. Now, let's talk about gig worker benefits. Unlike traditional employees, gig workers often lack access to employer-provided benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid leave. However, the landscape is changing. Some companies and governments are starting to recognize the need for gig workers to have access to certain benefits. These can include health insurance options, retirement savings plans, income protection in cases of injury or illness, access to professional development resources. It's important for gig workers to research and understand the benefits they may be eligible for, as these can significantly impact their quality of life and financial security. Despite the progress, gig workers face challenges in accessing benefits. The lack of a formal employer-employee relationship often means they must navigate these waters on their own. Solutions being explored include portable benefits, benefits that are not tied to a single employer and can move with the worker from job to job. Government policies, regulations that require companies to offer certain benefits to gig workers. Community support, groups and associations providing support and resources for gig workers to secure benefits. These solutions aim to create a more sustainable and fair gig economy for everyone involved. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic of gig worker benefits and why they are so crucial in today's economy. The gig economy offers great flexibility and opportunities for workers around the world, but it also presents unique challenges, especially in terms of benefits. As we move forward, it's essential for gig workers, companies, and governments to work together to ensure that everyone can enjoy the security and benefits they deserve. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay tuned.